NumPy and Pandas, two libraries that make data analysis in Python as easy as 1, 2, 3, or maybe even ABC if you like your data alphabetized. But what's the difference between them? That's what we'll look at in this video with some code examples. NumPy and Pandas are both open source Python libraries that make it easy for data scientists to work with large and complex data sets. NumPy, short for Numerical Python, provides efficient operations on arrays and matrices of data, while Pandas is short for, well, that's not so clear. It seems that Pandas is a combination of panel data and Python data analysis. Regardless, it provides user-friendly data structures and functions for data manipulation and analysis. So, NumPy is a powerful and efficient tool for working with numerical data in Python. It's widely used by data scientists for numerical computing, scientific simulations, and machine learning. Pandas, on the other hand, is a versatile and convenient tool for working with tabular data in Python. It's widely used for data cleaning, exploration, and visualization. And let's take a look at an example. So in this example, we first create a NumPy array of random numbers using the np.random.rand function. This is a one-dimensional array of 5 numbers, which is the fundamental data structure in NumPy. Next, we convert the NumPy array to a Pandas data frame using the pd.dataframe function. And this creates a 2-dimensional data structure with the same data as the NumPy array, but with added labels and metadata such as row and column names. This simple example illustrates the difference between NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is focused on working with arrays and matrices of numerical data, while Pandas is focused on working with tabular data in the form of data frames. This difference in focus and data structures is one of the key reasons why data scientists often use both NumPy and Pandas in their projects. Now, another difference between the two libraries is in their performance. NumPy is generally considered to be faster and more efficient than Pandas when working with large and complex datasets. And that's because NumPy uses highly optimized C code for its array operations. However, Pandas provides more convenient and user-friendly functions for working with data, which may make up for its slower performance in some cases. Now, here's an example that compares the performance of NumPy and Pandas when calculating the mean of a large dataset. And in this example, NumPy is faster than Pandas when calculating the mean. However, the difference in performance may not be noticeable for smaller datasets or less computationally intensive tasks. In this case, yes, it was faster, but not that you'd be able to notice. In addition to performance, there are other important differences between NumPy and Pandas. One difference is the way that NumPy and Pandas handle missing and incomplete data. Pandas provides convenient functions for handling missing values and inputting them using various methods. In contrast, NumPy doesn't provide native support for missing data and requires data scientists to use additional libraries or custom code to handle missing values. Now, here's an example that shows how NumPy and Pandas handle missing values in a dataset. And in this example, Pandas is able to calculate the mean of the dataset by ignoring the missing value, while NumPy returns an error because it doesn't know how to handle the missing value. Now, another difference is the way they handle indexing and labeling of data. Pandas provides a rich set of functions for working with labeled data, such as the ability to specify column names and row indices, while NumPy only provides basic indexing and slicing functionality. And that means that Pandas is more convenient and expressive than NumPy when working with data that has labels or metadata attached to it. You know what we need? An example. And this example shows how NumPy and Pandas handle indexing and labeling of data. Here, Pandas is able to access the data by label, while NumPy can only access the data by index. NumPy provides a rich set of functions for working with arrays of data, including mathematical and statistical operations, linear algebra, and random number generation. In contrast, Pandas provides a more limited set of functions for working with data frames, focusing mainly on data manipulation and cleaning. Now, here's an example that shows how NumPy and Pandas handle some common array operations. Here, NumPy is able to calculate the mean and standard deviation of the array using built-in functions, while Pandas is only able to calculate the statistics for each column of the data frame using separate methods. Overall, though, the choice of NumPy or Pandas, it depends on the specific requirements of the task at hand. Data scientists should consider the type of data they're working with, their performance requirements, and the need for handling missing and labeled data when choosing which library to use. NumPy is efficient and fast, making it a great tool for numerical and scientific computing. Pandas is user-friendly and flexible, making it a convenient tool for data cleaning, exploration, and manipulation. And in many cases, both NumPy and Pandas will be used together to solve complex data science problems. Thanks for watching and happy data wrangling.